Hi, things look a little bit different today because I'm coming to you from my quarantined kitchen. I'm waiting on results. My husband came back with a positive test, so all of us in the family have been tested to find out if we have it. I am showing some mild symptoms, a little headache, a small sore throat, nothing major. So I feel okay to cook. To make it easier to talk to you, I'm going to be without this right now, but as soon as the camera goes off, it's back on. One thing I forgot to say a moment ago when I was talking to you, if I'm not going to be here next week, you can check Facebook and Instagram to find out how I'm doing, what's going on. I will be updating there. The links are in the description box below. Just scroll until you see follow me on social media, then you'll know what's going on. I promise to update you daily. Thanks. Hi, thanks for joining me today on Susan's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm making a southern staple of side dishes, corn casserole. I've already melted a stick of butter, so that's a half cup butter, in this bowl and let it cool down. To that, I'm going to add 2 lightly beaten eggs and what was supposed to be a cup of sour cream. I only had a half cup of sour cream, so this is half cup sour cream and half cup mayo, because I didn't have any yogurt to substitute in for the sour cream. So I'm going to mix this together, just mixing it until it's smooth and everything is incorporated. All right, that looks good. Now to that, I'm going to add a can of cream corn. And this is a 14.75 ounce can of cream corn and a cup of whole kernel corn. I prefer frozen corn to canned corn, so if I can get it frozen, I go that way. If not, it's hard to find frozen cream corn, so I had to use a can there. So I mix that in. I am going to depart from the typical southern side dish, and I'm going to Tex Mex it just slightly, because I'm going to add a can of diced green chilies and 2 ounces of Colby Jack cheese. Mix those in. To all of these wet ingredients, I'm going to add a package of Jiffy cornbread mix. Now you can make your own cornbread mix. I'm going the easy way today and doing the pre-mixed. Okay, mix all that in together. Make sure you get your cornmeal mixed in. Okay, now I have already sprayed this with some oil. Now I'm just going to pour in the ingredients for the corn casserole. Some people call this a spoon bread. Just smooth that out. Because I have something going in the air fryer already, I'll be putting this in the conventional oven. I'm preheating that to 350. And then I will let this cook for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's set and done. Okay, the casserole has finished cooking. I had it in the oven, 350 degrees, and I let it cook about 45 to 50 minutes. And I took it out about 10 minutes ago, and I've just had it sitting here cooling a little bit. Time to give it a taste test. Came out beautifully golden brown and just looks wonderful. Look at that. Oh wow. In there you can see the pieces of corn, the little bit of the diced green chilies. You don't see the cheese, but it's in there. Now let's see how this tastes. You know, as good as just plain corn casserole is, I really enjoy kicking it up a notch, adding that little Tex Mex flavor with the cheese and the diced green chilies. I think it just elevated it a little bit. Time for another bite. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and be sure to ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. Thanks for watching. God bless.